News coming in at the moment, it's the Afghan Foreign Minister Muttaqi who's now facing flack. Muttaqi is now facing flack over women not being allowed in the press conference. Muttaqi held a press conference meeting at the Afghanistani embassy. Female journalists were not allowed in this press meeting. It's the opposition which is now mounting attack on the government. The TMC and the Congress are attacking the government over India-Afghan conversation and the talks that are happening. The opposition is now saying that the government has dishonored women by these actions.
This is the ultimate dishonor to the women of India that our government has participated in this, has been a willing participant, has used taxpayers' money to fund this exercise. We're women journalists who have been asked to leave the room. What is going on? You're talking about Beti Bachao, you're talking about, women in India, you're talking about Maas and Behens and all of that, and you are providing at taxpayer expense official protocol and the red carpet for a delegation, for a government delegation that is actually on Indian soil, dishonoring our values and asking for women to be removed from the room.
My colleague Milan is now joining me on the story. Milan, this actually has been a very shocking case which has come to the fore. We are now seeing how the opposition is asking the government why women journalists were not allowed at this particular press conference.
That's right. This happens to be Muttaqi's first visit as an Afghan representative to India, and where the press conference was held, where he met External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. There were no women journalists allowed in his press briefing. And the question is why this was allowed to happen on Indian soil, where we have a robust community of women journalists who cover all aspects of foreign policy in the country. And certainly today, opposition is also asking these questions. Priyanka Gandhi has also taken to social media, put a post and said that if the recognitions of women's rights isn't just convenient posturing from one election to another, then how is this as an insult to some of the India's most competent women by not being allowed for this press conference, and those women who are the backbone of this country. And certainly the entire focus of his visit has now centered on women's rights and their oppression, because remember, in Afghanistan, women are not allowed to work. And of course, the international community has asked a lot of questions on women's rights and their oppression. The lay of the land was supposed to be followed in India. And of course, questions are being asked to the Ministry of External Affairs as well as the Afghan representative, who is going to be in Deoband today in Uttar Pradesh for another such event where he will be supporting Deobandi Islam and posturing itself as separate from Pakistan, who thinks that they are the custodians of Deobandi Islam. But having said that, even women will not be allowed in that particular event. Even the press briefing, women were not allowed. And it's a serious question on women's rights in the country and why this was allowed to happen, at least on Indian soil, which is the democracy. Such questions are being asked. Muttaqi is facing a lot of flack over it there, Aishwarya.
Thank you, Milan, giving us all those details, also putting things in perspective. It's the opposition which is now asking questions why women journalists were not allowed at a press briefing.